Hey, what's going on?
He won't let me ride.
Why you ain't letting them ride?
Because it's mine. I want to ride it.
Let Casey and Caden ride.
No! It's
Hey,
mine.
when I bought this 4-wheeler, I bought it for the whole house.
I don't care.
Hey,
It's
say,
mine.
hey, you got 5 seconds right now to let them ride. 5, 4, 3.
3, 2, 1. No!
All right, you know what? All right, since you're not gonna let them ride, let me ride.
Okay, I'll let you ride.
Let me ride. Hold this.
Just don't give it to them.
I'm not gonna give it to them. Just let me ride, okay?
Go ahead.
How you putting it up?
Hey, wait. You gotta turn it. Wait.
Look what y'all did! Since you don't want to let them ride, you gonna learn how to share. Look what y'all did! Look what you did! That's what you get. Loser! That's not fair! I hate y'all!